Guys, today we're gonna study position of time word. I don't know time word is correct or not, but you guys already understand because we studied last time about like today, tomorrow, yesterday. So I just want to tell you where we put that word in sentence. Okay, that's the point. But before we start, I have to explain briefly about the basic structure of Korean sentence. So I just write down here SOV, right? So S means subjective and O means objective and V means verb. But for example, in English we have to say like I eat apples, right? But in Korea we have to say I apples eat, like that. So Korean sentence structure is subjective first and objective and verb. You got it, right? So for example, we just say I eat apple, right? Apple eat, like that. So let's write down in Korea. 나는, what is the polite form? 저는, right? 사과 먹어요, right? Okay. If I say today I eat apple, where we have to put today, that's the point. First place is here. Very first, you can say time word like today, tomorrow, yesterday, the day after tomorrow, next week, next Thursday, things like that. Just the very first or right after subject. Okay, before subject or after subject. You just remember this. It's very simple, right? So 나는 사과 먹어요, right? So you can say today, 오늘. 오늘 나는 사과 먹어요. Or 나는 오늘 사과 먹어요. That's it. Simple, right? We'll make more examples with basic verbs that we studied. Let's practice together, okay? Great job today. See you next time. Bye bye.